Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Creation. So friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing great. So friends, today's video is very great designing ideas, and today I'm showing our all hair trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful and most demanding article of vintage style granny square top designs. So friends, I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. And you will find an all trendy ideas in our videos, so you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos, and you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. So friends, I will try my best to share all the ideas, so you please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel. You can get ideas, so take care of yourself. See you soon with new gorgeous collection and new latest trendy and marvelous ideas. So friends, we will be right back. Bye bye.